Introducing the stunning 2019 Volkswagen Golf R R-Line in sleek black. This estate boasts a powerful 1.6L diesel engine paired with automatic transmission for a smooth drive. Experience ultimate comfort with adjustable seats, climate control, heated seats, and more. Stay connected with Android AutoCarplay and Bluetooth phone integration. Safety features such as auto lights and wipers give you peace of mind. The leather interior adds a touch of luxury to your drive. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today for more details.